Hello everyone, my name is Jene and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Today's video we're going to be doing a full post review on this beautiful painting you see here. This comes from Leisure's Art, however it is a diamond dot painting. And for a long time I've wanted to do a diamond dot painting. I've heard so many good things about this group. So when I was down in the States last summer, I actually picked up this one and another one, which is a full round drill. This one is a partial though, and I'll have to be honest, I'm not very partial to partials. And the reason for that is for me, they don't look completed. But this painting I really wanted to try out, and I believe it turned out pretty good considering it is a partial. So let me give you a little bit of information on this. This is a 30 by 30, and that's the drill area, or it's a 37 by 37, and that's the full canvas. Now, I'm going to go over the cons first, and then we'll go over the pros. And the only one con that I have on this painting is that it is a partial. I would have loved to have seen this be a full drill, but you know, it is what it is. So let's jump into those pros in this painting. So first thing I wanted to talk about is their fabulous canvas. I don't know what type of fabric this is, but it feels satiny. It's very nice. It's a very strong canvas. It's beveled edged all the way around. So, and it's very flexible. I just love this canvas. Never have felt a canvas like this one before. So that's one thing. I really love their drills. Their drills are amazing. I had no garbage in the entire kit. So very impressed with their drills. This is poured glue, and their glue is very strong. So if you were to misplace one of your drills, you would literally have to pick them up with a pair of tweezers to get them off of that drill field. Now, if you're the type of diamond painter that likes to slide their drills in place, you will not be able to do that with the glue. Really strong. And that's the type of glue actually I like to work with. And the reason why I say that is because I'm more confident that once you're done with your painting, that those drills are not going to go anywhere. They're not going to pop off the canvas and they're not going to slide around. So that's one of the reasons why I like that type of glue. Another thing I wanted to bring up is their drill field and their schematics are very clear. Not only the clear, but it's easy to follow. Their symbols are so clear and easy. I mean, this would be a perfect kit for a new diamond painter or a youngster that is just now getting interested in doing diamond painting. So let's go over my final thoughts. I believe this painting looks very nice even though it's a partial. Again, I believe that this would be a perfect kit for a newcomer or a youngster that is just now getting interested in doing diamond painting. And for the amount of money that I paid, I think this kit turned out beautiful and it was worth every penny I paid for it. So everyone, again, this is White Stallion. It's a 30 by 30 or 37 by 37. It is a partial round drill, and it comes from Leisure's Art, but it is a diamond dot painting. So by saying that, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by giving me that thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That way you'll be indicated when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it is evening for you, have a very restful evening. Again, my name's Jene. Thank you for joining me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone, and bye for now.